Hello, good morning, guten Morgen. Today is July 26th, and in 2 weeks, on August 9th, I need to ship my beans to Black Rock City. Burning Man logistics can be tricky if you live on the East Coast. Last year, I used a container service and it worked great, so I'm doing it again. You buy space based on the number of standard 27-gallon yellow top Lowe's boxes you need. Lithium batteries are extra. Pack, load the container about 3 weeks before the gates open. Pick up everything on the playa, then do the same in reverse after the event. These are my boxes from last year's playa. I hadn't opened them until today. The last time they were open was on the playa. Now it's time to unpack everything, check that it still works, repack it, load it into the container, and pick it up on the playa. So what I have here, I have light, tent light, my backpack, waterproof, dustproof, clips, ropes, this is all for the tent, for the bike, definitely must have, pack of masks, sleeping pad, but I think I also had another one, a green sleeping bag. This is my second warm sleeping bag and it's cold at night, so it was helpful. Porta potty bags, illuminate for shade structure. Maybe this year I will actually use it. Construction grade trash bags, my little fan. Oh, still working. Perfect. And I need to practice setting up the tent, and this is what I'm going to do right now.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard.
And yes, it's a little dusty. Oh, that's the rain cover. I don't know if you can see this dust. Rebar stakes that I used last year, and I'm sure they can be used again. But this year I invested in an impact driver and lock bolts, so hopefully life will be easier.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I say.
The most important part from the tent. This is what I'm concerned about the most.
I get older, all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
I'm so good now with the tent. I'm actually impressed myself.
I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time.
Getting there. It's actually not that very hot, only 77 Fahrenheit, but I'm sweating.
Good old days when the mama sang.
And there we go. Very proud of myself. Didn't take me forever. I don't know how long it took me. I think less than an hour, which is impressive. I still have rain cover. This might actually require 2 people because the tent is a little too high. Cheers. And this is actually the 3rd time ever I'm assembling a tent. I'm using trash bin as a table, as my bar table.
We could turn back time to the good old days.
Let's see inside. Oh, a little bit of dust. Quite roomy. Oh my god, it's so hot inside. So it's a great tent, very spacious, but it has a lot of mesh windows, so I had to use Velcro, gluing Velcro to the tent and attach these panels. Alright, I also need to test this setup. Last year I had a cooler that I got from Walmart. It was a cheap cooler, but it failed on me the very first time. So this time I'm taking this small fridge. It's actually fridge freezer, and I'm hoping it will work from the solar generator, from this small solar generator. It's charging right now from the sun. Next, checking my sleeping pad. I think that's done. Alright, so rain cover is a little bit challenging and I don't think I can do it by myself. I will probably need to ask someone for help. Wow, look at this. I'm good. I'm so good.
How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming?
You know, next time when I think I cannot do something, I should remember this. I put the rain cover over the tent all by myself. How is that for motivational speech?
To try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother.
It's already 104 inside. And the actual temperature is only 81.
Same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered.
Let's test it. This is frozen right now. It's 12:23, 12:24. Actually, the temperature right now is 22. It's still below freezing, so I expect this block to stay frozen. Let's check it in 20 minutes. 12:24, so 12:44. 12:44, 12:45. Let's go inside. Oh, it feels like oven. Oy, oy, oy. It's 106 Fahrenheit. Let me switch to Celsius. 41. This shows 13 Fahrenheit. Let's check it out. If it's staying true. Yep. Still frozen. Still working. This generator is charging from the solar panels and powering this fridge all at the same time. And this is exactly what I need. Now that I checked that everything looks good, it's time to start packing. So now it's time for part 2 packing, and it's gonna take me a couple of days.
Pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we'd fly it far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah, we used to.
Packing day. Tomorrow is the load-in day, and these are my boxes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is what I'm taking with me on the plane. I need to be careful what I ship and what I take with me. Shipping some food too. Not sure if it's a good idea, if this will survive. This box is mostly everything for the tent. The tent base, rain cover, tarp, sleeping bag, and those are lug bolts. Here I have food, rain boots, paper towels, more paper towels, bike seat cover, more food, vinyl gloves, and a lot of small things like my backpack, batteries, bike lock, and here masks, lights, radio, goggles, small fan. Here I have a fridge, plates, utensils, my coat, fur coat, more food, already hot, and there's some more food inside the fridge. And here I have aluminate, clothes, doormat, and of course my hat.
We fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed